Moreno, and this is my communicative task number 3. I'm going to tell about the Millennium Hilton New York Downtown Hotel. This is hotel has 4 stars and is located in the city of New York in the United States. The hotel has 569 rooms. Among these, there are single rooms that cost $636,640 per night, and the deluxe room that costs $1,022,339 per night. In the hotel, you will find things like a restaurant and a coffee shop, room service, front desk service, interpool, and spa. The hotel doesn't have laundry service and doesn't have parking. On the other hand, inside the room we can find a private bathroom